Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss one of the interview questions in Python. So we have a string e sala RCB cup namde. So we have to make a key value pair just like this. Let's say output e should be. So first we should reverse the string. Let's say EE reverses EE. And we should assign a key value pair. So value should be E. Again, I'll show you another scenario. It should be ALAS and we should take the alternate value. So S we have to take, A we have to skip, S we have to take. So it should be SL and so on. Okay, how to do this? It's very simple. We have to use a split function. So let's take a key. We are doing for each and every word, we are using a split functionality. Okay, if you want to see the value, let's say print of keys. If I just run this one, you'll get, see, everything is reversed. EE, ALAS, BCR, cup PUC, and adman. Okay, for printing an alternate word, we can use like this. We can use join functionality for the word and we can use a split function. Now, if I print this value, you'll see the alternate words E, SL, RB, how we have understood. So if I have to type this also to make sure you understood it, let me say print A also. See, based on this EE, SL should be there here, RCB, RB, CUP, CP, NMDE, and MME. So alternate words should be printed. Now, we have to do this as a key value pair. So what I'm doing here, I'm using a dictionary. I'm just zipping key and values. Let me print the result. So it will be a key value pair. So EE with E, ALS with SL, PCR with RB, PUC with CP, admin with NME. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.